My name is José Antonio, and I'm a project manager at Fertinagro Biotech. We are working on the Ecoloop soil health. Our role in the Ecoloop project is transform the digestate generated in the biogas plant of the Spanish pilot in order to avoid possible contamination of this residue into biofertilizers. To achieve this objective, we will make a separation solid liquid, and the solid fraction will be composted, and the liquid fraction will be filtered. We think to filtrate the liquid fraction in order to use the biofertilizers in fertigation. The application of these biofertilizers, especially the solid fraction, will improve the characteristic, the structure, and the health of the soil. The main beneficiaries of this treatment is the environment, because we are using residues from agriculture, but also the biogas plants, because we think to transform a problem such as digestate into a biofertilizer. And the other beneficiary are the farmers close to the biogas plant, because they will have really good quality biofertilizers to their fields. This solution are testing 3 pilots in the Spanish pilot, Bulgarian pilot, and Slovenian pilot. In every one, we are developing different treatments for different kind of digestate. And a special case is the Estonian pilot, because they are working on using the ash from forest plantation and developing a bio-stimulant based on arginine. Main challenges for us in this project is the design of the equipment, because we don't know too much about the characteristic of the digestate, and we are trying to design the best equipment for this work.